Well, hello, Trout Unlimited members. I'm Deane Gonzalez. I'm the treasurer of the Waikahi-Olu chapter of Trout Unlimited here in Honolulu. This video you're about to watch was filmed in November of 2019. That was 2 years ago. It was the last time we had a chance to work on the Kokee Stream Project over on the island of Kauai. The virus hit, the pandemic hit, and shut us completely down for the next 2 years. So I think you'll enjoy this short video, show you what we did over on Kauai. I think you'll get a kick out of it, meet some people you haven't seen before, and possibly get to see some scenery on Kauai of the Kokee Stream where we fish for wild Hawaiian rainbow trout.
It's incredible, the number of trout. They're only about 4 inches big, but they're beautiful in color, and they are really this spring coming back into this stream after we've opened it up. Today is 13 November 2019. It's been about almost a year since we got the Trout Unlimited Embrace a Stream grant for the Kokee Stream Restoration Project here in Kokee on the island of Kauai in Hawaii. And we've, like I said, worked this for about a year. This is going to be our last major working trip back because we're out of grant money. But we are going to come back here periodically, as promised in the grant, to keep this stream open and keep the trout population healthy. A little bit later on, I'll walk you down through, but if you remember our videos very early on in this process, you could not even see down through here. Now, the ginger is gone on the right-hand side. On the left, it's still there, but off the stream. And we have some weeds that have come in, but the stream is running and flowing down through the valley. And work this today a little bit more to maintain it, and then come back periodically to make sure this area is maintained for wild rainbow trout on the island of Kauai in Kokee region. It's Wednesday, 13 November 2019, and this is our last trip into the Kokee Stream to work the Kokee Stream Restoration Project under the Trout Unlimited Embrace a Stream grant. We've had it for a year now. We've used the money that we were given for the grant. We're extremely appreciative of that. It gave us a year's worth of work along the stream here. We've opened it up, kept it open, and now our plan is to come back maybe every second, third month and just maintain it, which is extremely much easier than trying to when we first opened this up, which was completely choked in ginger and elderberry. So I'm going to take a journey with you as we walk down and see how open this is. I did do a trout study, a lot of fingerlings throughout the stream. The water's extremely low right now, so the trout are holed up in what seems to be the deepest holes. I did catch two nice sized, about 8 to 9 inches for a stream this size is extremely good size, wild rainbows out of the Kokee Stream. So they're in here, and we've noticed the population has expanded considerably now that we've opened it up and we've gotten down to the rock bottom of the actual original stream. So it's healthy. Come with me as we walk. I'm coming off the weir right now, so it's a little bit of a challenge as I come off this dam, or what we call the weir. We're going to walk down over these boulders. If you notice, this plant here, isn't that beautiful? Once again, not native, but once you open this up, beautiful plants pop up all over the place instead of the nasty ginger and these elderberry trees. Okay, I'm almost over the boulders and I'm over. So this area has maintained openness, and you can see these flowers are popping up all over the place, and then they have this ground cover that comes in. We like that because that will tend to keep the ginger down. Here's the first pool that we opened up. This was all enclosed before we opened up. Nice pool. We usually catch trout out of here. The water is so low, it's probably at least a foot lower than what it normally is. But we come down in through here into an open area. Once again, you couldn't even crawl through here when we started. And now we've cut the ginger back and maintained it so we have access to the stream. As we go down in through, nice little waterfall there that we've gotten to the boulders, and we've gotten to the base of the stream bed, and now it's much easier to maintain. You can see the nice open area here that we've been able to maintain. Nice area, nice flowing stream. And as we come down through here, I was in here about 2.5 months ago, and I had cut this area back. So for this final trip, I didn't need to cut it back. We'll come through here and maintain this in the future. But right now, this opens up. This used to be just choked with elderberry, and it's now open, and our work goes down the stream for maybe another 30, 40 yards. This is a nice pool right here. But we will continue to maintain this, and who knows, might even get some more money from Embrace a Stream, Trout Unlimited, and continue to open up the jungle that lies ahead.